Hello ladies and gentlemen, Boy here. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can get your tax ID here in Nigeria in less than a minute. This is super easy and I want you to follow this video from the beginning to the ending. Now we are on this website known as taxid.nrs.gov.ng. So this is the official website where you can get your own tax ID, either individual ID, corporate ID or others. This video is all you need to get started, guys. So the first thing you're going to do is actually subscribe to the YouTube channel, like this video, share it to friends and family. It's very important. I'll put the link below where you can come straight to this place. Click on it and to bring you here. Now when you get to this website, there are 3 tabs you can see here. We have the tab for individual. This is the tab for individual like you and I, where we can get our own tax ID. We have the tab for corporate. This corporate has to do with business name, company and others. And we also have the tab for others. So we're going to walk through each of these tabs and you're going to know what it entails. Now, when you tap on the individual, which is for an individual thing like you and I, you can see that all you have to do here is to click on this tax ID retrieval method. Everybody have a tax ID. We all have a tax ID. What we just know that we don't know it yet. And with this particular website, I'm going to be able to get it done. Now, there's no really an official certificate for tax ID, but you're going to get your number. And that is what is important. Not the certificate, but your number. So when you come to the individual and you tap here, you're going to see national identification number. So all you have to do is to tap on national identification number. Then you're going to enter your NIN. Yeah, you just have to put in your NIN. So you're going to enter your NIN here and you're going to get your tax ID. So let me just do that quickly. I'm going to just put in my own NIN and then you come down here. You can see, so let me just start again from the beginning. So, okay, so I've already retrieved my, so let me start again from the beginning. So I'll come here, tap on my NIN, then I'm going to put in my NIN number. Then you come down here, I'm going to see this place. I hereby consent to the processing of my information for tax related identity verification. You're going to click on retrieve tax ID, and here it's going to ask you to verify yourself. So here you're going to put in your first name. Now, what is your first name? Your first name is actually your name. So I'm going to put in my first name, then I'm going to put in your last name, which is actually your own surname. Then I'm going to come to date of birth. I'm going to enter your date of birth. So I'm going to just blur this because these are personal information. So I'm going to just enter the date of birth here. So this is very easy for you to get started. You don't need to pay anybody. You can do this yourself. So I'm going to put in date of birth, select everything. Then I'm going to come here. You're going to see a button which say I hereby consent to the processing of my information. You are going to check mark that. They're going to click on submit. So immediately you click on submit, immediately within a few seconds your tax ID will be generated for you. So you are going to see a number like this. You're going to have your name and it's going to tell you that your tax ID has been generated. All you have to do is to copy it and save it somewhere. Or better still, take a screenshot. Now we can use this tax ID for your bank, for anything you want to use it for. Now if you want to get it for, let's say, corporate, for your business name and your company, all you have to do is to tap on the corporate here. The second tab here, which is corporate, you're going to see company. You're going to see there's a button here where you can tap and select either is it business name, company, incorporated trustee. Incorporated trustees like association, churches, mosques, club and the rest, or is it limited partnership, depending on the business you have. So I'm going to click on company here. You're going to put in your company ID. So I've put in a company ID initially. You just have to just paste the company ID without putting the RC or BN. Those are not important. Then you just come down here. Okay, let me just reset this again because I've actually done it. So I'm going to click here on company. Then I'm going to put in the company ID. Then you're going to come down here and click on retrieve tax ID, and immediately the company name will be generated and the tax ID will be generated. All you have to do is take a screenshot, save it somewhere, and you're good to go. Do you need a certificate? No, because actually there's no certificate given to you. What is important is your tax ID. So ladies and gentlemen, if you have gotten value in this video, don't forget to like this video, share it with your friends and family. If you have any question, you can ask in the comment section. You can join my WhatsApp community, my Telegram community. I am Boy. I look forward to see you in the next video. Bye for now.